Hey, what's up guys, this is Anthony. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start using all the features that Instagrams offer and how this is going to help you to increase more followers, more engagement, more visits to your website and also to your Instagram page. So let's jump back into my phone. I'm going to show you all the process step by step. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into the training and I'm gonna show you the reasons why you should be using all the Instagram features that they're gonna offer you. So first of all, why do you need to use this? Because if you are a personal brand or you're trying to grow your social media or you want people to see your content more often, so you need to start using these features that Instagram offers. So as of now, 2018, today is February 15, you need to be using these features because Instagram is going to give you more preference to you, and also is going to give you more reach as well, so you have a more chance to appear on the explore page, because Instagram wants you using all the features that they have. So whenever they launch a new feature, this is going to help you to stay ahead of the algorithm, because they will prefer you, because it's going to give Instagram the feedback that you are using whatever they created. So okay, so let's start with the first one, which is very important, and this is something that you should be doing now, is make sure that you're using the live feature. This is a feature that is going to help you to increase the amount of people that is going to see your account, and it's gonna help you to just be aware and just be on camera. So it's gonna help you a lot to get more comfortable when you're talking to a camera. Make sure you're using the stories, and you can pick anything from the Instagram stories that you want. I'm working right now with a business, which is one of my mentors, Joel Salsa, and I'm working with his Instagram. So we're doing a lot of strategies, and it's working a lot, and we're getting a lot of followers as well. So make sure when you're using the stories, you also use things like, let's say, like you're gonna use a poll. Make sure you're using a poll, like ask people a question or whatever you're doing. So let me just give you an example of what I'm trying to say. So you're gonna click you're gonna click right here, and you're gonna click polls. You're gonna make your Instagram as interactive as possible, because Instagram likes that. Instagram likes people that are replying to your content, because it just gives Instagram a sense of what people like. And this is basically gonna be, we're gonna jump into the second, and we're gonna jump into the third feature of Instagram, which is follow hashtags. I'm more active in my Instagram right now, because I've managed different accounts, but since this is kind of like my business right now, I'm working for a living and managing other people's account. And make sure that you follow any type of hashtag. For example, you're gonna go into salsa. So when you I love salsa dancing, so that's something of my hobby. So when you click on salsa, you gotta make sure that you're following these hashtags. This is a new feature that Instagram just added recently, and they will give you a lot more preference if you start using these. So you're gonna use the hashtag, whatever you try to do, and try to follow at least 5 of them. 5 of them. Salsa dance, and let's say I love filmmaking too. Making. And that will be 3. Make sure you are engaging with Instagram. That's one of the biggest tips. And I just need 2 more. Let's say love quotes, something like that. And let's say entrepreneur. So you're gonna make sure that you are following all these features, which basically the first one will be live, the second one will be stories, and the third one is gonna be follow Instagram's hashtags. And I just show you the way that you can do it. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the forward one. So the forward one will be use the highlights. And as you can see right here, I don't have a business account at the moment because As you can see right now in my account, I can add something into the Instagram stories. But let's give you an example of what I mean by adding highlights. And you gotta be very creative with these, and I'll explain you why you need to do this. Okay, so this is a guy I follow. He's a really good guy. His name is Christian Guzman, and as you can see, his Instagram is pretty clean. He has 1 million followers. He's a brand. But I want you to pay close attention to one specific feature and how you can take this and make it work in your advantage. Okay, so once you play athlete, you see like he gets his logo, but right after that he starts explaining every single thing that he's promoting, like his new hats, his new launches, what's gonna come next. And keep in mind, he's not showing any of these things in his Insta stories. He's not showing any of these things in his Insta stories. Like, he's just showing about his life, because the highlights will stay there for life as long as you want it, before they decide to change the algorithm again. But right now you're doing that. What I recommend you is that make sure that you do something alike that what he's doing right here, because it's very creative. What I'm trying to say, that as you see, you can see a logo right there. So the logo right there is gonna give you a sense of what it is, instead of just like different videos, that because it's not gonna show the whole of it, it's just gonna show the center. So you want to make an own logo, and I'll give you an example of what I'm trying to do, because I'm doing that for my business, for my other business too, for my mentor who I'm managing like this. That will be one of them. That will be another one. So you will make your own. You're gonna make your own photo, making sure that you are following these steps, because when somebody lands in your Instagram page, the first thing that they will see is gonna be something like this. So when somebody lands in your page, they will see everything. So what you wanna see is that whenever you're landing, let's say in watches, he'll explain everything about the watches. You can use a code, you can swipe up. He's giving you an explanation of, or a look at what is the watch, and he shows the logo right there. You can pick everyone as a first thumbnail, so if you want to pick the logos like that, it's an option in the highlights that you can do it. I'm gonna show you really quick how to do it. So you're gonna pick whatever the logo you want, and then you're gonna pick this one, and then you're gonna drag it all the way so that doesn't appear. You're gonna send it to your stories, and then after you do that, you send it to stories, and then you're gonna go back and you see highlights. So as soon as you put highlights, and let's say this on location, and you have your own business and you want to do this, and you're gonna see view and profile. Do you see how neat that looks? So when somebody comes to my page, this is what they're gonna see. Let me show you really quick. So this is what you're gonna see, and I'm gonna search for myself, Anthony Llanos 1. By the way, you can follow me if you want to. You can see locations. So anyone that, if you have a business, if I have something that I want to highlight, and somebody looks for my profile, they will see this. So instead of having all the words in the bio, you can just put the location in there. And that will be it. That's gonna be it for these tips of today, and I hope this really help you, and I hope this really helps you in how to use the features that the Instagram offers you right now in 2018. And if you like this video, and don't forget to share it, I really appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anthony Llanos 1. I'm gonna start being more consistent with my posts. As you can see, I'm posting random stuff like traveling, anything I do with my friends. So follow me there, and thank you so much for everything, and see you until the next time. Peace. Take care.